Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remove the camera lens protector on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of this plastic picker and I'm going to pry it out around the edge of the protector. Using this picker we minimize any scratches or damage to the surface of the back of the phone. So here, just pry it in and then push it up, and you can see this will pops out your camera lens protector. After that, you can give your camera compartments a good cleanse. You can see there are dust and debris building up around the lens. Here I'm going to use this microfiber cloth and give it a good clean. Now using the lens protector would help to protect your camera lens and avoid any damages around here. So if you don't have a protector, I would advise you to get one. It helps protect the camera lens, and you can see after some time of using, my camera lens still look in brand new condition. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.